The world moves fast. Stress, anxiety, and uncertainty can feel overwhelming, like you're barely keeping your head above water. 2,000 years ago, the Stoics faced chaos of their own and discovered a timeless truth. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius' peace doesn't come from controlling everything around you, it comes from mastering yourself. 1. Control the inner voice. Seneca reminds us, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Most pain is born in thought, not fact. Catch anxious stories as they appear, question them, and replace them with calmer, truer perspectives. Respond, don't react. 2. Live according to nature. Living according to nature means accepting that everything changes. Jobs shift, relationships evolve, seasons turn. When we accept impermanence, fear loosens its grip, flow with life's current instead of resisting it. 3. Practice voluntary discomfort. The Stoics sometimes chose hardship, sleeping on the floor, fasting, or walking in the cold, so that fear of discomfort never ruled them. Try small modern versions. Turn off your phone for a day, take a cold shower, walk instead of driving. Discomfort is a forge. It strengthens the mind. 4. Memento mori. Remember death. Remembering that life is finite isn't morbid, it's motivating. Today's page of your story can't be rewritten tomorrow. Use it well. Speak the truth, start the project, tell people you love them. 5. Amor fati. Love your fate. Not everything will go your way, and that's not only okay, it's essential. Every obstacle teaches, every setback shapes you. Treat difficulties as raw material for growth, turning adversity into advantage. Reflection. Pause and ask yourself, what am I chasing? What truly matters? Am I living by my values or just reacting to events? You don't need to retreat to the mountains to live stoically. Master your mind where you are. Stand firm like a rock while the storm rages around you. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius, choose virtue over chaos. The calm you seek is already within you, awaiting your command. But over 2,000 years ago, Stoic philosophers faced wars, plagues, and personal tragedies, and they cultivated unshakable peace of mind. They didn't escape life's chaos. They learned how to remain calm within it. 1. You can't control everything, but you can control yourself. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Marcus Aurelius. We waste energy trying to control things we can't. Other people, the economy, the past, the future. The Stoic way is simple. Focus only on what you can control. Your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. 2. Most suffering is imagination. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Seneca. We imagine worst-case scenarios. We replay old mistakes. We fear things that haven't happened and may never happen. Let go of imagined pain. Return to the present moment. 3. Accept what you cannot change. Don't demand that things happen as you wish, but wish that they happen as they do, and you will go on well. Epictetus. Life will not always go your way. That doesn't mean life is unfair. It means life is life. Acceptance is not weakness. It is strength. 4. Remember, life is short. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Marcus Aurelius. Every day is a gift. Every breath is borrowed time. We don't know how long we have. So live fully, live wisely, live now. 5. Turn obstacles into growth. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. Every challenge holds a lesson. Every setback builds strength. Don't run from hardship. Use it to become better, braver, wiser. Final reflection. In a noisy world, Stoicism teaches silence. In a chaotic world, it offers clarity. In a fearful world, it reminds us to choose courage. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice every day, because peace doesn't come from outside. It begins within. The Stoic Path. 4 simple practices. They're secret, not wealth, not power, not luck, but 4 simple practices, quiet habits that shaped unshakable strength. First, mindfulness. Pause. Breathe. Observe your thoughts without letting them control you. Your mind is a tool, not a master. Slow down. Pay attention. Be here, fully. Second, acceptance. Some things are in your control. Most aren't. Your thoughts, your words, your choices, those are yours. The weather, the past, other people, those are not. Let go of the rest and focus on what is yours to shape. Third, self-control. Don't be ruled by emotion or impulse, anger, envy, desire. They come. Let them pass. Choose your response. Act with purpose. You are not your urges. You are your decisions. Fourth, perspective. Life isn't happening to you. It's happening for you. See obstacles as teachers. Turn pain into growth. Find meaning in service. Practice gratitude even in difficulty. Your view shapes your reality. Final thought. These 4 practices, mindfulness, acceptance, self-control, perspective, they won't make life easy, but they will make you strong. And in a chaotic world, that is enough. The Stoics weren't motionless. They were emotionally free. They didn't suppress their feelings. They understood them, mastered them, transcended them. In our chaotic world, their ancient wisdom is more relevant than ever. Noise, distraction, fear, pressure. It's easy to feel lost, overwhelmed, powerless. But imagine this. You wake up with clarity. You know what you can control and what you must release. You feel anger rise, but it doesn't control you. You pause. You breathe. You respond, not react. Someone insults you. You don't fight back. You don't shrink. You remain calm, unshaken, like a rock in a storm. You face a challenge. Instead of fear, you see opportunity. You say, "This is my test. This is my path." You lose something. You feel it, but you don't cling. You understand. It was never truly mine, and that's okay. You remember death, not to be afraid, but to live fully. You stop waiting. You start living now. This is Stoicism. Not a religion, not a trend, but a way of being, a way of thinking, a way of seeing the world clearly. It's not about being perfect. It's about practice, daily, quietly, deliberately, mindfulness, acceptance, self-control, perspective. These are your tools. This is your armor. This is your peace. The Stoics walked through fire and found stillness. What would your life look like with the mind of a Stoic?